I did want to show this. Boston Consulting Group is saying crypto will reach 1 billion users in 2030. And I have seen metrics like this before, comparing Bitcoin and crypto to internet users, to mobile users, right? And this is where we are in terms of, if you compared it to the internet of the 90s, the late 90s, that's where Bitcoin is right now on its journey upwards, on its journey forwards, okay? So back then, you had some fantastic companies that are still around. Yahoo, not really. They're barely clinging on, but Amazon, eBay, Expedia, GoDaddy, PayPal, Google, Tencent, these are big boys. Salesforce, Alibaba, Baidu, right? These are the ones that were very early back in the day, and they have become the powerhouses of today, right? This is the same thing with crypto. There's so many that's big already, but they're still so early. And imagine once we go and really expand and move forward in, say, 10 years, 20 years, some of the companies today, or projects today, I should say, will be just like these big tech giants, right, of tomorrow. But as for near-term future, a lot of traders, speculators are wondering, looking at certain moving averages, certain breaks, certain levels that you have to hit or attain, or it may do this and may do that, right? So this is one that I think I concur, and I've said this. So recently we were at 24.2, right? If we could break above that, there's nothing between 24 and 29,000. So I've said that before. We could definitely do that, right? But if we don't, and we get a little bit more weakness and we come back down, we'll probably touch 20K again, right? That wouldn't be out of realm of possibility. Of course, that could happen. In fact, I drew out a trend line, right? So a couple of times we had a recovery, went down to the trend line, recovery here, down to the trend line. If we go back down, where does the trend line go? About 20,000. So that makes sense, right? So that's short term. But again, no one knows. Everyone's just guessing. If this happens, this could happen. If this happens, this could happen, right? But we know long-term, Bitcoin is so early, crypto is still so early, so that's why we want to stay in the game, and we want to continue forward and DCA so we don't miss out. If you are new to the space and you're looking to buy your very first Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other crypto, head over to CryptosRus.com and click on Best Crypto Exchanges. This will give you a list of all the major exchanges out there to choose from.